My name is Alison. I'm a PLC developer for S4 integration. What we have over here is a radiator assembly line. Okay, so how this line operates is that the operator will load the part into the trolley and he will scan a barcode, and with that barcode will fetch the recipe from the SQL database manager, and then that will allow him to assemble the part according to particular prompts that will be on the HMI screen over here. Now, one of the great things about this line is that the recipe management system is fully and completely dynamic. The plant manager, line manager or team leader will be able to change the recipe according to however they would like the part to be assembled. And then one of the second awesome things about this system as well is that it has a fully fledged quality tracking system, that every single part that goes through this line is tracked. So as it comes into the station, we have RFID tags and an RFID reader that reads the trolley as well as the part. Every part that gets loaded into this line, every barcode that gets scanned, it all gets tracked. So if there are ever any issues along the line, it's easy to track and see where it went wrong, what day the part was manufactured on, what variant of the part was added to the full assembly. So absolutely anything is possible. The third and most awesome feature of this line is the AI vision systems. After the part gets manufactured and gets assembled by the operator, now bear in mind these parts are both plastic as well as metal parts that get clipped together. So the main purpose of the vision booths is to check the parts and to check that all the little clips are in place and to check that everything has been assembled as it needs to be assembled. So once the operator has completed assembling the part, he pushes the trolley with the part inside the vision booth. It locks in place and then he removes himself. Then we turn on certain lights and certain cameras, and the cameras capture images of the part at different angles, and we use different lenses as well because there's certain parts that require a wide angle lens, certain require more close up. So we take photos of the parts and we use AI technology in the software to analyze the parts and make sure that everything is as it should be. So after the part has been through all the various assembly stations and vision inspection booths, it will also come through to this leak test station over here. And this station tests to see that the part is completely sealed and that there are no leaks or defects in the part. Then it will come through this final vision inspection booth over here. And after that, it will get offloaded on the next station at the end of the line. It will get offloaded and then shipped to the vehicle manufacturer for vehicle assembly.